Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Wilsons.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Miss Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I would like an increase in my financial support.
Okay. And your financial support or support for your children?
Support for the children.
Okay. Mr. Wilson, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it, okay? Do not address her. I'm talking to her. You will have your opportunity to speak, okay?
Yes,
Thank you. Go ahead.
As I was saying, I'm already receiving child support, yes,
Okay.
but I would like an increase for our children.
Okay, how many children do you all have?
2.
And how much are you receiving at this time?
$1,500 a month.
$1,500 a month, okay. And you believe that you're warranted an increase? Like, did he come into some money that you know about?
As a matter of fact, he did.
Okay, how do you know?
His secretary kind of told me.
His secretary told you?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to one of the fiercest child support showdowns you'll ever see. Today, Miss Wilson is demanding a higher payment, while Mr. Wilson, let's just say he's not exactly on board. But here's where it gets interesting. An undisclosed boost in income, a secretary who talks a little too much, and a judge with zero patience for games. Stay tuned, because this courtroom drama is packed with surprises, heated exchanges, and a verdict that just might leave you stunned. The big question? Or should we say the $3 million question? Miss Wilson isn't just asking for more support out of thin air. She's got proof. And thanks to a slip from Mr. Wilson's own secretary, she's ready to hit hard. But the real fireworks? Mr. Wilson's reaction. Watch closely. This is where the pressure really kicks in.
Did she tell you something or did you ask her to look for you?
No, honestly, she just brought it to my attention.
Sounds like you need a new secretary. She's just telling your ex-wife all of your business?
I don't know what she's talking about.
It's his ex-lover.
Ex-lover, okay. We're not going to get into all of that. That has nothing to do with this court.
Thank you.
Mr. Wilson, no, I don't need you to thank me, sir.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go. What is she talking about?
Well, I have an interest in an oil and gas, 2 oil and gas partnerships.
Okay.
But really, it's been a dud. We hadn't made any money until the last year we made some money.
What's some money?
I don't know how much the partnership made, but I received a $50,000.
Let me ask this question. When I ask a question, just answer it.
Yes, Your
I don't
Honor.
need all the extra.
Yes, Your Honor.
How much money are we talking about?
Well, the partnership itself made about $3 million.
$3 million?
But I received $50,000 distribution.
Now,
The classic excuse. I never received the money. Nice try, but the law doesn't let you wiggle out that easily. Even if the funds didn't land straight in his personal account, the court can still count it as income. And judging by the look on the judge's face, she's not buying a word of it. Stick around, because Mr. Wilson is about to face a serious reality check.
received
Well,
50?
I didn't receive $50,000. $50,000.
Did you come in my courtroom to play games? I'm really not here to play games with you.
No.
He does that a lot.
Your Honor, she's talking when I'm talking.
And I'll get to her in just a minute. Ma'am, I'll need you to save your comments until I return to you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Wilson.
Yes.
Now you stop wasting my time. You received $50,000, correct?
No.
Okay, so tell me what's up with the $50,000?
Well, the partnership paid a debt of mine in the amount of $50,000.
Okay, so your partnership paid a debt of $50,000. What debt was that?
It was to the IRS.
Okay, all right. So you know that we could deem that as income, right? For
No,
purposes
Your
of
Honor.
calculating your child support.
But I didn't even receive. It didn't even touch my bank account.
It doesn't have to touch your bank account. And under Texas law, I could deem that $50,000 as income, although it's not income producing. What else? Where else you work?
Well, I'm an attorney,
Okay. What type of law do you practice?
criminal law.
Criminal law. All right. How much money you make there?
Well, it ebbs and flows.
Well, answer the question, Mr.
Numbers never lie, but people sure do. Mr. Wilson claimed an $83,000 income, yet his tax documents paint a completely different picture. And in court, your paperwork has to line up with your story, or you'll get exposed fast. The judge is already crunching the math, and trust me, it's not looking good for him. Will he finally come clean? Let's find out.
About 80. I bring home about 80,000.
All right, let me look at some documents you turned in here. According to your documents, your tax return last year was $72,000. That's about accurate?
That sounds about right.
Okay, so let me tell you what we're getting ready to do. That $50,000, that was the distribution, right? That's your testimony, right?
That
Your
went to
tax
the
returns
IRS.
are correct, right?
Well,
They
Are your
are.
your tax returns correct or they incorrect? Is it as simple
according to
yes
my
or no?
CPA.
According to your CPA. Okay.
I
So
didn't prepare them.
according to that, I have your off the doing the gross from the $50,000. That brings your gross to $42,000, $4,200, excuse me. The net of that is $3,510.58. And then, according to your tax return, you make $72,000 in your business, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So that gross is $6,000, which brings that net to $4,779.38. Who covers health insurance for the children?
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$161.
$161. Let me just make sure. Is that what you're looking at in front of you? Okay, I'm just making sure. I have your document here. $161. You're going to be responsible for reimbursing that to her.
Thank you.
Yes, so.
Well, you don't have to thank me. I didn't do you a favor. That's just what the law says. Okay? So, adding your two net resources together, I have $8,289.96. Reimbursement for the health insurance, prior to adding the reimbursement, it comes out to $2,072.50. Reimbursement of $161 gets you to $2,233.50 because your income did increase from the time that you all got a divorce.
Can I say something?
Can you ask me the question without wasting?
Oh no, he really went there. Mr. Wilson is trying to play investigator, waving around Instagram photos as evidence. But here's the truth. Child support isn't about Miss Wilson's vacations. It's about their kids. And by the judge's reaction, she's about to shut this argument down faster than you can say irrelevant.
I saw on her Instagram that she goes on a lot of trips. I just think this extra money is going to go to these trips. I really don't think it's going to go to anything related.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
That is not true.
Excuse me.
You need to stop it.
Excuse me.
I can
Both
show
of
you
you
the
need to
Instagram.
stop it. Both
It's
of you need
Instagram.
to
It's
stop it.
fake.
Excuse me. When I talk, the two of you be quiet. Now I see why y'all got a divorce. Y'all cannot get along.
No, we
But
got
listen
divorced
to
'cause he
this.
cheated.
No, let me tell you about
cheated.
this. I don't care if he cheated. I do not care about her Instagram. All I care about is the money that you've made to make sure that your children are taken care of. According to the documents that your CPA produced, your income went up. Therefore, your children are entitled to an increase. So, final child support amount, $2,233.50. Is there anything further from either of you?
No, ma'am. That'd be great.
Thank you. Anything further, Mr. Wilson?
I guess not, Your Honor.
Well, I guess you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
And there it is, $22, $350 a month in support. The judge made it crystal clear. The law isn't about drama or excuses. It's about what's right for the children. And judging by Mr. Wilson's stunned expression, he never saw that coming. But hey, when you try to play games in court, be ready to lose from hidden income to Instagram battles. This case had everything. But now it's your turn. Do you think the ruling was fair? Or did Mr. Wilson get the short end of the stick? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoy these dramatic courtroom breakdowns, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the next case might leave you even more speechless.